This standard operating procedures reviews repairing the damage to a panel after the initial straightening. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. Choosing the right tool is an important first step in the repair process. DA sanders are available with different orbits designed to achieve different results. Larger orbits are useful for removing more material, and smaller orbits are ideal for finer grit sanding applications. There are also different sanding patterns. These patterns ensure that the entire area is efficiently sanded. They also provide uniformity and eliminate chop on contoured surfaces. When preparing for body filler application, sand the repair area with Norton Norgrip Multi-Air Cyclonic 6-inch P80 grit and feather edge an area around the repair that is large enough to allow for body filler application. Next, mix the body filler following the product manufacturer's recommendations. Apply the filler in a wide enough area to ensure that it is level during the sanding process. Once the body filler has cured, block sand using Norton A995 Norgrip Multi-Air Cyclonic Continuous Roll in P80 grit. Use Revive by RSG Dry Guide Coat or Norton Guide Coat to identify pinholes and low spots. Continue to sand first with 80 grit, then 180 grit until the desired contour is achieved and any pinholes or low spots are eliminated. Once the desired contour is achieved, remove any excess sanding residue. Refer to the paint manufacturer for final grit recommendation before priming. If necessary, a glazing putty can be used to eliminate sand scratches prior to primer application.